He went to law school with everyone.
Yes, he
Law
did.
school, grad school.
Well, when you repeat grades like that, that's what
And are we back on the term? No.
We're not doing any nominations right now. We're not accepting any nominations this time. Why, can I buy you lunch for the common building?
What's on the docket? Another one?
So I said, I gave it back to them, we're not accepting any nominations, they came back.
So where's this one from? This is
Mary,
Mary.
That's this.
Where's Bruce
I like it double. I love Sissy. It's so comfortable, and I get some.
What about,
Men.
McDonald's? McDonald's. This woman's
They
here.
were all married. Mary's the one
That's what we're done with the judge show, we're on the Mary show.
Where's Mary? Oh, she's
Chris, once we're done with the judge show, we're on the Mary show.
Yeah, so we're not gonna say.
You're the man, that is the man, that makes you the man.
The governor's office. This is where all the big stuff happens.
Western Mass.
See my text about
Councilor Jubenville, good afternoon.
Chris, one is daughter, Chris.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just gonna say no. I say yes all the time. My Joe never says no. I'm gonna buy your lunch and we're for it.
Alright, where's the LG?
Beautiful thing.
She said, well, you can sit behind me, and then you said unsolicited. You're married to me anyway.
Yes, sir. That's all.
Speaking of good people, I was trying to catch you.
It's all the last day of because I got you.
This is Joe Ferrera. This is her daughter.
Oh, okay. I can sit her.
Hi, William. How are you?
That's so funny.
Hey, boss.
And then she got all
Nice.
scared and shy.
Okay, Joe's here, we can start.
Okay, Josie.
Yeah, thanks.
Councilor Jubenville held everything up for you, Joe.
He's a great guy. That's why I wanted the way he treated the family too. One of the best to do with them.
What do we take from the lunch box? They gonna move Chris for lunch?
You gotta take him to lunch, Bob.
Well, what I did was I raised my fee, to get the money to spend on.
Yeah. What fee?
You don't get it?
The expense account's good.
The expense.
The expense account.
Yeah,
No,
the one that pays for.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't talk about it though. It is.
Talk about it.
So council's maybe taking the elevator down.
This guy's how to use the word.
I thought it was everyone's trade, bought me this guy, Father's Day.
I'm gonna tell you, most of his
You
time.
stepped in it now.
Bob has got bright ties,
Yes, what's
on
the
my
kind of-
thing,
You're nice
mine.
guys.
We're gonna have to.
Well, this
guys,
sounds flamboyant,
I would
though.
consider you guys drabs. That's the word, drab.
I'm a draft person, that's
Like,
great.
for example, a nice.
No fun.
Yeah, no, you're no fun.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Chris,
you're
I
no
really ask you, I'm probably right.
Out of all the people in this council, let's be honest, I'm the most boring.
So,
Not yet. Well, don't worry, everybody else has.
I don't know, let's play a third
Characteristics
thing.
that. Like your mom.
well, we're gonna give him a test, here's the test. We're gonna give him a test.
I like to visit. Not another can.
You're going on vacation, when you went on vacation, I know when I go on vacation, but it's not a question on me. What night is like? You folks, you have the first night of the last night.
Well, first night for me.
First night, at least first night.
Last night's
Here's
right.
what we're gonna do, you and I are gonna do it, I won't forget. When you go to Nantucket,
Sunday.
11 o'clock, you'll call them.
Okay.
I'll be asleep.
And put it in my phone.
Are you serious? Okay, Jen, look at me, I'm gonna be serious. I'm going to Nantucket on Saturday, the 29th. I want you to put it in, you call me at midnight.
I'll be in there, Nancy.
You
With the
call me
same thing you did.
at midnight.
Okay.
Maybe it's for. I'm trying to avoid it. Like you're gonna say that.
My cafeteria. Chris, 11 o'clock.
I'm gonna call you up.
Sunday
I'll call
night.
you Sunday night.
Is he?
I'll call you 2 minutes after lunch.
Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Oh! 30 seconds. It's more likely you're gonna be sleeping.
He's Italian, I'm not.
You like that, I can tell that.
You said 2 minutes. I don't know, I think that was generous. He
He's
is Irish.
Yeah.
I'm married a Frenchman. I know.
He's not that bad guy.
Come
It's
French. He's French Canadian also.
Oh, yeah. But he loves those guys too. Yeah. But not
You ever seen the movie, I think it's from the 40s?
Yeah, that's good.
Called The Winning by Little Goose? No. The cats.
Maybe not the last.
Only women in the cats.
That's what
In
he
the
did.
event that we're looking at it on the screen. You gotta see it. It's good. I'm sure you're always yelling. But everyone in the woods is in Bronx, that's all these words. They talk about, l'amour, l'amour. Where does he get you? On the train to Reno. L'amour, l'amour. Where does he get you? On the train to Reno. It is hilarious. It's a really good. Someone tried to make it a few years ago, but they never. You really can't capture that. You can't do this from the 40s.
Yeah.
And they talk to them.
Yeah, the guy was one of those 29 years.
It's
White guy.
really interesting.
Two different houses had a room she kept.
It's really interesting. You wouldn't know it
Well, no,
unless.
49.
I can
How many years ago? She buried in the back of something. And she just can't believe it. She got sued.
Where was Luke's?
Mom came when they first the house. They couldn't find the body. So he got shot. So she got sued.
Does your husband speak any French?
She paid for a release.
No.
Of those claims. She identified the body. Great.
You lost him. No. She's out at the last minute.
Hey guys,
I know. Oh my goodness. We know.
Kennedy, let's go.
I do. Yes. Come all the way to Steve. Look.
I'm ready. Okay, we will call our assembly to order, and I'd like to ask Councilor Jubinville to lead us in the prayer and pledge today.
Can we have a moment of silence and prayer with what Ricky want to say? We all hope for people in Washington do the right thing.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I'd like to recognize Councilor Duff for a motion to record advice and consent to the financial warrant.
So moved.
Second. All those in favor?
Aye.
And Councilor Iannella for a motion to record advice and consent to the pending listing of these justices of the peace.
Thank you, so moved.
All those in favor? Aye. And I recognize Councilor Kennedy for a motion to record advice and consent for the appointment of Honorable Scott L. Kafker to the position of Associate Justice of the Supreme Judicial Court.
I would make that motion, Governor, and I'd just like to state that I consider this an outstanding nomination. I think he's going to be a fantastic member of the Supreme Judicial Court. He'll be a real moderate voice on the court. I think he's going to be very reasonable, and I'm going to be delighted to make the motion and to cast my vote in favor of him. I also want to point out that Councilor Curley asked me to express, she couldn't be here today, to express her support for Justice Kafker. She also wanted to express that she was disappointed it was not somebody from Western Massachusetts, but she recognized what an outstanding nominee Judge Kafker is, and if she were here, she would vote.
Second. Motion and a second. Yes, Councilor Manning.
I'm very pleased to second that motion, and I was very honored to vote 3 times for Judge Kafker back in March 2001. And I knew he was outstanding then. He went to the Superior Court. I voted for him for the Appeals Court, and where he became Chief Justice, who did a lot of innovations and was such a leader. And this is most appropriate that he should move up to the SJC. He is the most respected by his peers, judges, attorneys, and citizens of Massachusetts. Last week, I mentioned people who had called me judges, and I do have one letter that I want to put to the record, and this is from Judge Gary Katzman. And as you know, Judge Katzman was a judge here in Massachusetts for many years, and to his credit, he moved up to the United States Court of International Trade. So I'll just briefly say some of the things that he said. I have known Chief Justice Kafker for many years and served with him on the Appeals Court from October 2004 until September 2016. As an Associate Justice, he was a leader of the court in the outstanding quality of his opinions and in his dedication to fair resolution cases. He was always a wonderful and caring colleague. As a court, we were fortunate when in July 2015, he was elevated to chief. In that role, he has brought his powerful judgment, indefatigable energy, good humor, creativity, and management and leadership, all while maintaining a full load in hearing cases and writing opinions. In my humble opinion, he is supremely qualified to serve on the Supreme Judicial Court. Quite apart from meeting on a daily basis, the challenges of wide-ranging decision since joining the bench in 2001, he is a published scholar on the role of state constitutions. But above all, he treats everyone, the judges on the court, litigants, and his staff, with the greatest respect. And that really is just a little note for me. But I just want to put that in the record from Judge Jackson. Thank you.
Aside from all the qualities mentioned here tonight, to me, he's a man that always puts himself
Councilor Casey, very briefly, advice
nomination. Justice Kafker has been a steady and fair jurist on the appeals court since he was nominated by Governor Salucci 16 years ago. There's no doubt he will continue to be a moderate voice on the Supreme Court and someone who respects the fundamental principles of the separation of powers. He's a justice who has proven himself to be someone who applies the law, not an ideologue, and a justice who will continue to call balls and strikes on the highest court in our state. I applaud the Baker and Polito administration for this nomination. I think it's outstanding and he's going to serve the people of this Commonwealth with great distinction. Thank you.
Okay, we have a motion and a second. You may begin the roll call.
Councilor Kennedy.
Yes.
Councilor Casey.
Yes.
Councilor Pereira.
Yes.
Councilor Juvenile.
Give my advice.
Councilor Bennett.
Yes.
Councilor Ronell.
Yes.
Councilor Duff.
Yes.
I wish to thank members of this council for your very important work, very thorough work, and for bringing your experiences and backgrounds to this process together, our nominations and your advice and consent will provide this people to the Supreme Judicial Court. And that is work that goes above and beyond work we do every day to help us recruit and confirm individuals to serve in all of our culture Commonwealth. And anyway, speaking on behalf of Governor and our team, how much we appreciate your being such an integral part of the process.
I have two things. First of all, Judge Minton is down, and he was a wonderful member of Massachusetts Court for many years. He was a Marine, he was FBI, Watertown, and a friend of mine. And so I'd like to ask if we could adjourn Judge Coleman's memory when we adjourn today. And I also now want to give a statement. Because of the agenda last week, I wasn't, I didn't have time to present it. So this is my updated statement. And this is regarding Attorney Ellen Randall's appointment to the Camden County Court. When three councils vote against a nominee, this should raise concerns at a new level. In this situation, a judge in open court recommended the governor's nominee, Attorney Ellen Randall, the actions and behavior not permitted in Massachusetts courts, in particular, signaling by shaking her head to the witness on the stand, and at a later date again, shaking her head when the opposing attorney was speaking. Judge Hyland reprimanded her associate, Attorney Clark, as well, for making faces. Judge Hyland is heard on the court record speaking to nominee Randall stating, "Counsel, I don't want to see another shaking head, not from you or Attorney Koch. When these questions are asked, no shaking of heads, inappropriate, totally inappropriate." The judge said further on the record, "You will both shake your heads. You're in a position where the court is going to have to make a report to the BBO. This is part of the documented court record." There was another audio later submitted to the council of another reprimand by Judge Hyland. Two court audios, all court documents and letters were submitted to all government's councilors. After reprimanding Attorney Randall and her associate, Attorney Koch, Judge Hyland again repeated that this behavior may be cause for a complaint to the BBO. Judge Hyland, on record, advised, quote, "It was completely unacceptable and had to stop." I read transcripts which noted again that Judge Hyland on another day advised Attorney Randall of the possibility of making a complaint to the BBO. This nominee, Attorney Ellen Randall, who was previously the subject of judicial admonition, now finds herself nominated by Governor Baker for a judgeship to serve in the very same court where she suffered public rebuke. Where is the logic? First we have confirmation, and then we have nomination. The judge who chastised Attorney Randall was for inappropriate behavior in court came forward as one of the nominee's principal character witnesses at her hearing. Is anyone paying attention? Overzealous activity in that court towards other parties and behavior that amounts to a breach of legal ethics and not recommendations for a judge. Not ever. Judge Highland, who threatened to report Attorney Randall to the BPO, came to her Governor's Council hearing to ask us to vote for Attorney Randall for a judgeship. Judge Highland was asked at our hearing about her making statements regarding making a complaint to the BPO regarding Attorney Randall and Attorney Koch. Judge Highland denied she ever said anything about a complaint to the BPO, yet it is documented on court tapes and transcripts. 2 different occasions making such comments. In another surreal moment, at Attorney Randall's hearing, a person from the audience was called to testify on behalf of Attorney Randall, Attorney Koch, colleague of Attorney Randall, who was reprimanded in court by Judge Highland. Attorney Koch provided the distraction and confusion that the nominee needed. She switched the days of the legal case around to provide cover for denial of facts. Councils had to listen to Attorney Koch's description of a parking lot story about driving habits and rumors of gang action. Nothing Attorney Koch offered had anything to do regarding the nominee or anything that was before the council regarding the nominee. Instead, she attacked the messenger, who freely brought all this documented information to all of the councilors in advance of the hearing. What is doubly troubling to me is Judge Highland's demeanor before the council, being rude to a fellow councilor in denying the facts that are documented on tape and court documents. Before the confirmation began, I asked Governor Baker to withdraw this nomination of Ellen Randall. He denied my request. If Attorney Randall engages in behavior not allowed in court, as a judge, would she not accept the same behavior from an attorney before her? We have to expect higher standards from a judge. I find no joy in rejecting this nominee, but sometimes it is the only right thing to do to vote no, representing the citizens of Massachusetts. In this case, Councilor Iannella, Councilor Jubenville joined me in opposition. Respectfully submitted. Marilyn Institute. Thank you, Mr. Governor.
I'm more positive note. Councilor Jubenville has some friends, very close friends. So if you could acknowledge the presence of these 6 people.
We plan to do that. We should do that right now.
Well, Wanda's here, of course.
Again?
And her grandson, William, came all the way up from Florida to meet the Lieutenant Governor.
We were gonna get to meet.
And Wanda's daughter, Krista, who's a Hoyle, raised in Hoyle, Massachusetts. Her husband, Ed, Carrie, who's a Pittsfield boy, right? This is Olivia. She wants to be a Lieutenant Governor.
Watch out.
Well, I'm so happy to have you
Well,
here. All right, thank you very much. We do have one nomination today, Kathleen A. Sandman, to this her circuit position on the Western Mass Probate Community Court. She will stay with that soon. I want to thank all of you for coming and just for all our calendars for August to them with that on August the 2nd and August the 16th. They will be December. That concludes our business today. Thank you.
Don't forget.
On Sunday.
I'm not gonna forget.
That's
I'll talk to you.
I won't forget, text you.
Chris.
Only shows. I know.